Hey, this is Skylar with Metro Lexus for another tech tip of the day. Today we're going to use our Android phone to show you what Android Auto looks like. So let's take a look. Here we are with our little baby cord. I wouldn't suggest using this tiny cord. I know it's cute, but we're gonna plug that in. All right, and you can use any of the USB ports inside of this area on this particular car. So you're gonna get a message. See on the car also it says to use Android, please stop, blah, 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 blah. And your phone will pop up with a question the first time. So it says unlock to continue. And by the way, this is Tony's first time doing this, so if we fumble, please excuse us. Okay, so it's gonna ask all these questions. You're basically gonna just hit next, allow, 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 allow. Next. So it's saying up on the screen of the car, it requires permission to use all of these. Okay, great. Now we're gonna go back to the phone and it says continue to set up on your car. So we're gonna hit okay. Wow, Tony's popped up really quick. Now, some of the older phones will ask you to download the Android Auto app. So that's what you would do. And now we have Android Auto on the screen. So if you see the top left-hand corner of the screen, the little circle, it's highlighted on there. If we go ahead and press that, select that, it brings up the other apps that you can use. And notice on the side there's arrows, there's a bunch of different apps. For maps, you can use Waze or Google Maps. And then the bottom left is the microphone that you can use voice, or you can just say, okay, Google, or hey, Google, if your phone is set up that way. Oh, I guess it is. With Android Auto, we see a lot of apps, and maybe you don't use all of these or you want to move some of them around. So we're gonna show you how to do that. So we're gonna go down the list and find settings, blue, and then we're gonna go down to where we see access on phone screen, and then we're going to go to our phone, and make sure you're not doing this while you're driving. And then this pops up. We have lots of things, and see under general it says customize launcher. So now you can take certain apps out, like, I don't know, who's using Hangouts? Just kidding if you do, but you know, you can take certain things away and downsize. Oh, and you can move things around. Thank you, Tony. Thanks for joining us for another tech tip of the day. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down at the bottom of the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, we would love for you to come into our dealership so we can help you experience amazing.
Come home to Metro Lexus and discover for yourself what experience amazing really means.